Hey, Crystal. Come here, come here, come here. What are you smiling about? You're just having a good day, aren't you?
Yes.
I got my new business cards. That looks like a tomato. It's supposed to be a television set. I'm not a great artist. I just drew that with a Sharpie. Would you draw something above that up here?
Sure.
Whatever you like. Go ahead. Wow, another plume of smoke or something like that, another explosion.
It's a tree.
A tree. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Put your initials inside the tree. Would you do that for me? CMS. I have your full initials. Great. The tomato or the TV that I attempted to draw is going to be our focal point in just a moment. What I want you to do now is think of any number between 1 and 10. Do not tell me what it is, but get it inside your head. Have you got it?
Yes.
Good. Multiply your number by 9. Make sure you're correct.
Okay.
Don't mess it up. Have you got it?
Yes.
Good. If you have a 2-digit number, separate the digits as if they're single numbers and add those two numbers together.
Okay.
You got a total?
Yes.
What's your total?
9.
9. Concentrate on the mysterious tomato. Television set. That's just my magic powers at work. Okay, check it out. This is pretty cool. But not only is your tree there with my tomato, but the number 9 is written inside. Keep that as a souvenir of a very surreal experience.
Thank you.
Thank you. This desk is kind of small. I have to get out of here now. Welcome to the explanation of precognition. Precognition is actually knowing something before it occurs, and that's what I apparently did with a business card. Now, this effect is very, very powerful, and it actually uses a mathematics trick that we used in the first DVD. We just used it in a completely different way. So what you need for this are a stack of business cards, a Sharpie, a rubber band, a little bit thicker than the number 19s we were using earlier, and a pair of scissors. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take one of your business cards and you're going to cut it in half. It doesn't have to be exactly in half, but it needs to be fairly straight. Now you need to do this with business cards that are blank on the back side. Actually, they could have a pattern. It wouldn't really affect it that much. Now what you're going to do is you're going to draw a square or a circle. I like to draw a circle on this half of the card. You're going to place this half of the card on top of the stack of business cards this way that are turned upside down. Now you see that big line that divides this from this? Well, that's going to be hidden. How are you going to hide that? Simple. You're just going to put a rubber band at that point right over that crack, and you're going to wrap that rubber band a few times around here. Now what that looks like is one continuous business card with a circle on it. Now, before you do this, I'm going to pull that out of there. On the real solid business card that's all one piece, you're going to draw a circle that's as close as you can get to this one. Now this one's a little too small, as you can see, but I did that deliberately so you can understand the difference between the two for the trick. When this goes back on top, and it goes right under that rubber band, remember you've got to hide that crack under there, it looks perfect. It looks like this is one continuous business card. So what you need to do is under this flap, in this circle, you need to write some type of a prediction. In this case, we're going to write number 9. Whenever I write the number 9, I always draw a line under it, and there's a reason I do that. That's to differentiate it from the number 6. So now what we have is we have a business card that when pulled out reveals what apparently is the duplicate circle here, or the same circle, with something written in it. But you don't pull it out face up, you pull it out face down. So I'm going to show you how this works. It's already set up to go again. All we need to do is underneath this flap, we need to draw an approximate circle to this size and write the number 9 inside of it. This goes right back on top, just like this. That crack needs to be hidden by the rubber band and you're all set to go. Now what you do is you say, I got my new business cards. In fact, I have a stack of them, and on the back I've drawn a circle on one. This is my circle of concentration. I need you to put your initials on the top of that business card. They go ahead and initial the business card. Now they haven't really initialed this card. Remember, this is just a flap. It's just this small little extra piece sitting there. But boy, doesn't that look like one business card? You say, I want you to focus your concentration on this circle. Now remember, don't show them this, but underneath you have a duplicate circle with the number 9 in it. Very deliberately, you grab this top card. You turn it face down and slide that card out. Okay, you want to do that without exposing this circle anymore. So right as you're about to pull, you turn face down. I'm going to show you what they do not see. This is what they do not see. That card slides right out from under that flap. You see that? They don't see that. This is all they see. And you say, I'm going to place your initialed card down here on the table. And now you take your stack of business cards and you put them away because this extra flap is sitting right there. So you go ahead and put that away and you say, now I want you to think of any number 1 through 10. Once you have your number, don't tell me what it is. I want you to multiply it by 9. And what happens here is any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 multiplied by 9 will give you a 1 or 2 digit number that always equals 9 when those digits are separated and added together. For example, if their number is 2, pardon my writing here, by the way, I'm writing upside down. If they think of the number 2, and you say multiply your secret number by 9, 2 times 9 is 18, right? Then you say separate the digits as if they're single digits and add them together. Well, 1 plus 8 is 9. If their secret number was 1, for example, they would only have a 1-digit number, so they wouldn't add anything together. If their secret number was 4, then obviously 9 times 4 is what? 36. You tell them separate the 2 digits and add them together. 3 plus 6 is 9. They will always add up at the total of 9 and they don't know that. Then you say out loud, tell me your secret number. After you said think of a number from 1 to 10, don't tell me what it is. Multiply your secret number by 9. If you have a 2-digit number, separate the digits and add them together. This is your new secret number. Got it? What is it? They're going to tell you 9. When they turn over the business card, they're going to see the number 9 written in the circle with their signature that was empty just a moment ago. So again, you draw a circle on your business card. You write the number 9 inside and underline it. You then take your piece of a business card and overlay it under the rubber band on top of that, covering up that crack. You then ask them to initial a card, which they do, in this case a squiggly line. You then turn this over, grabbing their card this way, slide this prediction out and set it down. You then put this away and ask them to turn over your prediction after they do the math, revealing the secret number 9. That is precognition.